It looks very like tropical over here because of the palm trees. Ah, cop! Alright, so we stopped by Dunkin because we're gonna go to San Bernardino right now. Dunkin Donuts. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to drink my coffee and eat my bagel, sausage, egg, and cheese bagel. But we're just making a quick stop right now. We got baby too, so. But yeah, we're just getting our food. Wife is gonna use the restroom before we head out on that road trip. Can you watch them? They called your name. Kimberly. Alright, we got our food. Let's go now. Oh yeah? See, let me taste them. Hash browns. I'm gonna do one right here. That looks all sad. Oh well. There's my bagel. Take a quick bite. That is in fact a bagel. Alright, let's go. He's tied up. Is it telling me to go out through here? What? No, I'm talking to myself. It says we're gonna get there at 2:17.
Not bad.
Yeah, not too bad. It's actually pretty good. You want to try it? No? I think I ate all the bacon in one bite. It was all like in the middle.
You want an egg?
Yeah.
Grab it to the book.
You should have given it to me when I still had my sandwich. Even though you know I would, but
Yeah.
I know.
You still haven't had it.
Oh yeah, can you give me the ones in the bag? That way I could carry them. I ate two of the ones that fell off. No, I just ate one, so just move one of the ones.
Yeah, they wanted.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
They're for you.
Okay, well give me the bag then. Ah, cop! Ah, my little hash browns.
You want to drive me to the cop?
Yeah, you could eat while driving. Ah, man, that cop waited for him. Hopefully nothing happened, like an accident. Let's watch the show. Let's see what happens. I mean, normally I wouldn't eat like the bagel or this, but I was like, it's a Saturday. Let me treat it as like refueling my body day. So, hold this, my coffee. Can you pour this coffee in there?
You're going to drive out crazy.
Drive out crazy? Why? How am I going to drive out crazy? Oh, yeah, because you're pouring it.
Because you need money.
Yeah. Papa. Just pour it quick. Too good. I really needed that breakfast. Poderoso de Israel, su voz se oirá. Poderoso de Israel. Oh, girl. Oh, I think I like the sourdough better.
It's good. I can open it. I can put bacon.
That's true. Oh, look, the Toyota Land Rover. I mean, Land Cruiser. That's nice. I always hate this part of the freeway. It always get packed here. Always. All right, we made it past all that traffic mumbo jumbo. Now we're in the 10 freeway, going east. That's a nice G-Wagon right there. I would like it in a silver, like my Honda. That look nice.
You want silver?
I think silver is like the best color. Like a light silver. Alright, we're straight chilling. But I should get on the carpool. Because, whoa, it makes sense to go on the carpool. Oh look, the Land Cruiser right here. It's barely coming. Oh, it says fast track only. Man, I wanted to go to the carpool. We're gonna pass the whole freeway where it's like I even drive, and I'll tell you like the small little things before I go through. Jesus, your twin, but that's in black, huh? It looks nice in black too. Got a little bit of traffic. They said it was gonna rain today. Where's the rain? I just see pure sun. Well, I think tomorrow, I think so. Or maybe later. But they said it was gonna rain today. I see nothing but blue skies and clouds. Traffic. Who invented traffic? So I could go beat them up. Alright, we pretty much made it to our location over here in San Bernardino. We're gonna take the 210 junction. Looks pretty nice over here, huh? Like the mountains, everything else. It reminds me of like Utah. A little bit of Utah. Da, 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 da. I know, mine's all watery too. Well, I mean, it's already pretty much just ice. Baseline. Whoa, what was that? No, it doesn't. I know, baby. I'm watching Yeah, but I mean, if I were to move over here, I would really like look into where I'm moving into, because I've been to some parts over here and it's nasty.
Yeah.
Yeah. Over here in San Bernardino. Yeah, like the places that I go to over here. Well, there's only one store around over here that I go to, and there's a lot of like homeless and like crackheads in the street. But I guess it just depends on where you go. You know, I'm sure there's nice parts, but I would look around just in case. But then again, there's a lot of other places that look nice too. Like there's a lot of people that move to like, you know, like Idaho, and I mean over there it looks nice too.
I wouldn't want to do that.
Oh yeah, that's true.
I mean, it's still far, you know. But
yeah, it's still far. All right, so we're up. Yeah. All right, this is our exit baseline. It's funny because there's actually, yeah, I think one of the stores that I go to, it's on Baseline Street.
You come all over here.
Yeah, girl.
Well, you do have to visa.
Yeah.
To Bakersfield.
Yeah. And then yesterday I was at Coachella, so it doesn't look too bad though. It looks pretty nice over here. We're almost there. A couple more minutes To this one?
Oh, I think we were going to Nature Town. I don't know where. They had to
But-
Dunkin Donuts with my family.
Oh. Are you sure?
I don't remember what.
Because, I mean, well, yeah. You never know.
Let's see what's Christmas ever.
Let's see. Let's start seeing. In case we move over here. Yeah, we're almost there. Oh, I can finally stretch. Oh my gosh. Is he awake? Oh, he's sleeping? That's good.
Yeah, but it's crying in front of us.
Mm-hmm.
He's like, let me just go to sleep.
Yeah, let him just go to sleep.
Miniature right up. Let me just go to sleep.
It looks very like tropical over here because of the palm trees. A lot of trees.
Oh, I said, who is sleeping?
Where, inside?
Over there. I don't even know which way he's sleeping.
This has the same vibe. Because it's more out here, so it's more closer to the desert. You know. Alright, we're pretty much here, guys, at our destination. So if you guys enjoyed our drive to San Bernardino, make sure to like and subscribe. Click all the videos that YouTube is going to recommend right over to the side, and I'll see you guys on the next one.